Hey, what's up, YouTubers? It's the Swede coming out here from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm showing you guys how to play Loaded Gun by Phora. Okay. I like his songs. They're very cool and they got a lot of looping guitar things going on, which is cool. So let's go over the chords. Song is in E minor. So we got a bar, 7th fret, and then 9, 9, 8. And we gotta use our fingers because we gotta get those two notes. We want to pick with the thumb the A string. Meanwhile, we pick B, G. 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, and then smack to D major. 5, 7, 7, 7, and then we got, let's see, a B over. Let's call that B over G. So that's 2 on the A string and 3 on the B string. And we're gonna grab A, G, and B string. And that's gonna take us to C major. Alright, so that's the chords. So I guess the hardest part here in this song is getting that picking right. And just practice E to D first. And you can practice B to C. Awesome. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. I'll be back tomorrow with more cool stuff. Be safe. Thank you.